What's going on, Craftinistas? So I picked up these Target bags from a discount shop that was local in my town. They've now since closed, and I hate it because I used to find all these great deals, and I found a box of these bags, and they kind of had that Bon Voyage nautical theme, and the backside of them had red and blue, so I knew that I'd be able to use them, that side. So I'm going to take that side here, and I'm going to make these and dress these up for 4th of July. I can reuse the nautical theme for something else down the line, or I can even cover the bags up. But I was just playing it around. I thought maybe I could stamp some stars, but that was too much. Of course, I realized there were stars on the other side of the bag, the other bags that had the stars. So I thought the stars would be a little bit too much. So I ended up putting that to the side. Then I have these jewels here that I'm just kind of placing around and seeing what all that I may could use. And then I just cut out some circles for the background, and of course using blue and red on the opposite ones. And then I stamped out the home of the free because of the brave. Then I have this ribbon here from my stash, that was holiday time ribbon, and I really didn't like the texture of it, so I hadn't been using it. And I said I'm going to pull that out and see what I can do with that. So here's what I kind of came up with. I popped up the phrase with some pop dots on top of the circle, and then I used the Dollar Tree stars, and I used those stars on to highlight the little saying there. And once I did that, I cut off strips of the ribbon, and then I'm just going to wrap them around the handle of the bag and really give it that blue and red festive look. And so I'm going to use some glue dots here to try to tackle that down, because regular glue isn't going to do it. I'm going to need some kind of harder adhesive, because this is a rougher ribbon I'm working with. And so once I got those tacked down, I am just going to go ahead and cut my ribbon down the middle, and to give it more of a look. And then I'm going to add some of those big rhinestones that I have from Walmart. You can get them for a couple of bucks a sheet, which is a great deal. And I'm going to need to get me another sheet soon because I've been using them. And then I pop that right on top of that. And so I've got my red and blue ribbon on top of that, showing off the little handle of that bag. And I think that these will be so cute for 4th of July. And I've got them all lined up here, ready to go. And like I said, you can dress up any old red and blue bag and make it festive. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and see you later, Crafty Nature.